Like their cobra relatives, these too have needle-like hollow fangs fixed to the front of their upper jaws. But they've got extra firepower. The central ducts are like any other cobra, but there's an exit point at the front of the fang, rather than at the tip like their non-spitting relatives. This means that when they force venom at pressure down their fangs, it shoots straight out in whatever direction they're aiming, spraying their targets with a toxic shower up to 3 meters away. It's the perfect defense weapon. No contact is required, and venom in the eyes of their victims can quickly cause blindness.